Hi, my name is Sean Wallace. I'm going to do some plein air painting for you today, but first I want to show you my setup, because a lot of people who want to get into plein air painting, they don't really know where to start as far as equipment, and there's so much stuff out there. I figured I could show you what at least has worked for me. So this is my setup here. I have it on a backpacking pack, just the frame. You can find these frames at any outdoor sporting goods store. And then on this frame I've got a bag here that carries my paints and my paper towels, and then here I have a French easel. I use the half box French easel. I find that a full box is too big for this setup. It will carry more inside of it, but it doesn't fit on the pack as well, and the half box is lighter. So I like using the half box. It carries my brushes inside of it, and I'll show you how quickly that sets up in a minute. This is my palette. You can buy a palette like this at any art supply store or online, but I made this one just because it was cheaper for me to make it. It's just got piano hinges, but the great thing about it is when you unlatch it and open it, the top turns into shelves to hold your brushes and your thinners. And what's really nice is it's deep enough that I can put my paints on in the studio. And the reason why that is important is by the time I get out here, time is critical, because the sun is going to change what you're looking at rapidly. So when you get inspired by a scene, if it takes you an hour to get your paints out and your easel set up, you might look up and that scene's completely different. So I like to come out ready to paint, and this helps me do that. This is just glass right here where the back is painted black, just so I can see what colors I'm mixing vibrantly, and it's just made out of pine. So it's a pretty simple thing to build yourself, but like I said, if you don't feel like woodworking, you can purchase them at pretty much any art supplies shop. One thing that I wanted to show too are what I carry my thinner in and my mediums. These are just simple ammo boxes from the local army supply store, and they clip right onto this pack. They can move around on the pack, so you can move them out of the way of this stuff, and they carry these jars really well, full of your mediums and your thinners. So they work well because you can clip as many as you need to hold whatever you paint with. Okay, so I'll show you how long my setup takes to get ready to paint in real time. So we'll just video me putting my entire kit together, and then when I'm ready to paint, you'll see how quick and efficient this really is. And just like that, I'm ready to start painting.